Schluter Systems has been redefining tile installation for over 50 years, combining innovation, quality, and global expertise. From waterproofing and uncoupling solutions to heated floors and elegant edge profiles, Schluter makes every project more durable, efficient, and beautiful. Schluter Systems began in 1966 with a single innovation from master tile installer Werner Schluter. What started as a solution for finishing tile edges has grown into a worldwide brand known for setting new standards in tile installation. Even today, the company remains family-owned and guided by the same principles of craftsmanship, problem-solving, and lasting quality. Every Schluter product is designed not just to look good, but to create installations that are reliable, safe, and built to endure. Schluter stands apart because it doesn't just offer individual products, it develops complete systems. From waterproofing and uncoupling membranes to drainage, heating, and edge profiles, every component is engineered to work together. Over the years, Schluter has introduced groundbreaking solutions like KERDI-BOARD panels, DITRA heat flooring, and sleek linear drains, making tile installation more efficient and design-driven. Today, Schluter operates offices and distribution centers throughout North America and Europe, including locations in Plattsburgh, New York, Reno, Nevada, Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, and Montreal, Quebec, along with 6 European offices anchored by its headquarters in Iserlohn, Germany. This global network ensures consistent support for projects of every scale. Beyond its reach, Schluter also invests heavily in education and training, empowering installers, designers, and homeowners to get the most out of every system. It's this combination of innovative products, worldwide presence, and hands-on expertise that has made Schluter a trusted leader in the industry. Schluter Systems has been widely recognized for excellence in both product innovation and project execution. The company has won multiple TTMAC annual awards, including Project of the Year for standout projects like The Well in downtown Toronto. Its designs have also earned international acclaim, such as the IF Design Award for the TR-EPV stair profile. Consistently ranked as a top choice for waterproofing membranes, uncoupling systems, and linear drains, these accolades reflect the trust and respect Schluter has earned from professionals worldwide. Beyond awards, Schluter has contributed to high-profile projects worldwide. Its systems were used in The Well in downtown Toronto, providing waterproofing, drainage, and heating solutions, and in its LEED Gold-certified Canadian headquarters, which also serves as a training center. Internationally, Schluter products were installed in the Eiffel Tower's Ferrié Pavilion renovation, where durability and flexibility were critical. These projects showcase Schluter's ability to deliver reliable, innovative solutions on any scale. Among Schluter's most recognized innovations are its system solutions that have become industry standards. The Schluter DITRA uncoupling membrane is trusted worldwide for preventing cracks in tile, while also providing waterproofing and vapor control. In wet areas, the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane and its companion KERDI drain create reliable, mold-resistant shower systems. For added comfort, Schluter DITRA Heat combines floor warming with uncoupling and moisture protection in one integrated solution. Builders and designers also rely on Schluter KERDI-BOARD, a lightweight panel system that makes it easy to create tile-ready walls, vanities, and custom features. And of course, Schluter's edge profiles, the product that started it all, remain essential for protecting tile edges while adding a clean, finished look. Together, these products showcase how Schluter blends performance, durability, and design flexibility. As a global company, Schluter Systems takes its responsibility to communities and the environment seriously. For more than 35 years, the company has incorporated recycled materials.
Please feel free to reach out to Golden Tripod and contact us if you have any questions or concerns. And be sure to follow us on social media for more updates and inspirations for your next renovation project.
Their products are designed to extend the life of tile installations, reducing the need for replacements and contributing to long-term sustainability. Schluter's environmental commitment extends beyond its products. Its North American offices use geothermal heating and cooling systems, harnessing clean, renewable energy to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lower harmful emissions. This approach not only conserves energy but also helps protect air and water quality, reflecting Schluter's broader dedication to sustainable practices in every aspect of its operations. With innovative products, sustainable practices, and a global presence, Schluter Systems continues to empower installers, designers, and homeowners to create beautiful, long-lasting spaces. Trusted worldwide, Schluter turns every tile project into a lasting success.